Hey folks, Heath Wiley back from Gearheart Broadband. Welcome to part 3 of our Halo Infinite computer build. One lucky winner will win this awesome build that we're going to be giving away on December the 15th. You know, you got to go like our social, follow us. Be sure to follow Facebook just at facebook.com/IMC bundle to be notified of more stuff and how to enter and how you do all this. But we've already did part 1. We talked about the internals. We talked about the motherboard, the M.2, the 32 gig of RAM, and everything, and the CPU. Second, we talked about the graphic card that the kidney went for. We had to go get it, so dark web. And 3, this is part 3, we're going to talk a little bit about the peripherals. Again, I never mentioned power supply, I never mentioned air cooler, but again, that's in part 4. So what I want to show is what we're going to give you with the build. We already know, or you already know, you're getting Halo Infinite with Game Pass for 6 months. That's included. What you don't know is what else you get. So let's go through a little bit. First, since I like EVGA, I want the X17 gaming mouse. You'll get this gaming mouse with your build. Second, we went with the EVGA Z12 gaming keyboard. It's RGB. We think you'll enjoy it. The graphic card's an EVGA board, so we actually went with, which worked for us. We got a bundle from EVGA to include the graphic card, so we were excited. It really helped us out, fill out our parts list of what we wanted to do. Third, monitor. Okay. Sorry. A lot of things that you do is compared on hertz. You want the fastest frame rate to match with your graphic card to make sure you get the best performance possible. You could go to Walmart, get a Samsung curved screen that's 60 hertz, that's junk. No. If you're going to game, let's get you into something that's going to be perfect for you to hit those frame rates that you're looking for in a game like Halo. Optimized perfect for Windows 11, you're going to get the frame rate out of all of this. So you're going to get the perfect frame rate out of this monitor. We kind of went a little different too. We're not going small. We're not going with a 27 inch. Most people, to get a good price to performance, you went smaller to get higher frames. No, not me. I'm going to do a little something different here. I'm going to try to get this on the table. I won't take it out of the box yet. Ugh! Here you go. We're going with the 31.5 inch Ultra Gear LG 165 hertz monitor. It's a beast. I got this thing at the house. It's going to do what you need to do. It'll have your display ports, your HDMI ports, beautiful color gamut. Your game is going to be like a dream. But this is yours also. So what we're looking at is the game, a powerful PC, peripherals. We might even throw in a mouse pad. We probably need to get you that. And a 31.5 inch Ultra Gear monitor from LG. This is part 3, folks. This is what we're doing. We're building this computer for gaming. We're building it for one lucky customer out there to enjoy the holidays and get that graphic card and PC they've been looking for a while. Just because of the chip shortage and everything else going on in the world, scalpers and all this, we're trying to help everybody out. So go like us, go follow us, go check out how to enter on our Facebook and social pages. It's linked down below. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is part 3. So again, I don't know how to mention this. No power supply, no cooler. We'll talk about that next video. We're getting there. But I'm Heath Wiley with Gearheart Broadband. Thank y'all for tuning in. Get ready for part 4 because we're going to talk about the case. And in part 5, we will be building this baby. And we will be putting it together from start to finish with you, our community. So thank you all for tuning in. I'm Heath Wiley with Gearheart Broadband with Jordan Hampton behind the camera. See you in the next video.